Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. How's it going? Hope you've all been smashing the market. I've not been away, I've just basically not traded, so just a quick update for you. And that's the thing with this month and sort of doing these videos. I always said every time I'll take a trade I will do a video, and I promise I always will do that. But I guess in this sort of month for me, it's been a really slow month in terms of my style of trading, being a bit more selective on what to trade. So I've actually just not taken a lot of trades. Just to prove that, I've got my statement in front, so no, my account is not busto or anything like that. You see here, net P&L, net P&L, net P&L. I've basically just taken 3 trades this month so far. So really slow month. April, from what I'm hearing, April and the summer months tend to be quite slow. So it is what it is, and but I am learning, I'm still studying, and I'm still in the market every day. I've just not been taking some trades, and I should have taken more trades than this. Definitely, there were some opportunities that I just didn't pull the trigger on, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in this video of what I'm doing to rectify that. But you see here, this is not Photoshop. If you go to, I can click here May, there'll be nothing there. If I go to, obviously April, it's this month. If I go to March, that's last month. So you see how this is a real account. It's not photoshopped or anything, so just to prove that for you. Yeah, so that's basically the update. I've just not been trading, so what I am going to do, because I want to keep the channel a bit more active, I am going to do daily recaps from now on, even if I don't trade, just to give you my thoughts on the market on the day. And even if they're only a quick 5-minute video, then it's better than nothing. So I'm going to start doing daily recaps from today, so expect that going forward. And yeah, so just to talk about here, you'll see these 4 and 7 and 4. These basically are locate fees. This is where I've located a particular stock to short, but then I never actually took the trade. So I definitely should have taken more trades than this. Bit hesitant. And one thing I have done, as you see here, I actually bumped up the account. I've just put in an extra $800. So I just want to. I think one of the reasons why I was struggling to pull the trigger, because having, it's, you know, I wouldn't, even though I have it, and I'm probably leading a bad example here, and I apologise for that, but it's not good to have a $600, $700, even $800 account. You want to have, I'd probably say, at least $1,500 in your account, maybe $1,500 to $2,000, just something big enough that you can withstand losing some money, so you're not worried about going below buying power, or worried about, or when you just have less money you can't risk as much basically. So that's one of the things. I think because my account was quite small, I was then not taking some trades that would have worked, whereas if I've got a 1,300 account, which I have now, I've got a bit more of a cushion to take those trades. So that's why I've bumped up the account, and I definitely recommend everyone, if you're using an offshore account, you don't want to put too much money into them in case something goes wrong, but you need enough to trade. So that's what I've done here. I've just bumped up the account, so now I've got a healthy account of around 1,300. And the other thing I have done is I've opened up I've done it with DAS Trader for now, because it's just a month-by-month basis. I've opened up a paper trading DAS Trader account, because there are some opportunities like in my shorting strategy that I'm not pulling the trigger on my real money, that I'll look to do on my paper account. So I'm still gaining that somewhat of an experience. It's not the same, because I took a trade yesterday on QCOM on a paper account and I made $500, but you don't get the same emotional experience. I was just letting it ride in. It was quite easy, to be honest. So, but I've opened up that account, so I will be trading. If I don't trade real money, I will trade in a paper account, and I'll go between the two. So hopefully I'll trade more in the real money because I get more confident, etc, etc. But if not, I've got that paper account as a backup to take some trades. And that's pretty much it. So as I said, you see, not busto, counts boosted it up a bit, make it a bit more healthy. I'm going to start uploading daily, just because if I don't trade, it can then lead quite, as you see here, I didn't trade Friday, we had the weekend, haven't traded 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday this week, so then you haven't updated for 6 days or so. So I'm gonna start doing an update daily, no matter what if I trade or if I don't, and I'll try and keep the no trades as small, them videos as small as possible, and yeah, opened up a paper trading account on the side just to test out some different strategies and stuff like that. So that's it, guys, and I will hope I'll be in the market today. It's 12:40 now my time, so in about an hour I'll start looking at the market, and we'll see what we get today. Let's hope we can place a trade, but if there's nothing, then I won't force it. And that's it. See you later, guys. Bye bye.